How to open Monzo bank account online in UK free of cost. To open a Monzo bank account, first of all go to the Play Store or App Store. Install the Monzo Bank mobile banking app and open it. Now the interface will be look like this. Welcome to Monzo. We have to click on I am new to Monzo. Tell us the email address you would like to use all for things. You need to enter your current email address at here. Now in the bottom we have to click on the join icon. Check your email. We just sent an email to dash dash dash. Friends, you need to click on open email. I did not receive any email from the Monzo, so I'm going to click on I did not receive my mail. They are asking you to wait for 10 minutes and you can check your spam folder also. But still I did not get my email, so I'm going to click on resend email. Now I received an email from the Monzo. We have to tap on this button. This link will redirect us on Monzo app. Where do you live? You need to search for your country from here. Now you need to select your country, and after selecting your country, click on the confirm icon. Friends, Monzo Bank is going to ask some question about our profile. So we have to click on the next icon. Which account would you like to open? If you are working full time or the part time, and if you are the student, then I will recommend you to open personal account. If you want to share your account, then you can open joint account. This account is especially designed for 6 to 5-year-old child. If you are a businessman, then you can go with the business account. I selected personal account and now we have to click on the next icon. Tell us who you are. You need to enter your photo ID name here. So enter your first name here and last name and select your date of birth in DD, MM and YY format. Now we have to click on the next icon. A polite request. Please hit the like button. What's your home address? So now they are asking for our postal code. So we have to enter our postcode. In the bottom you can see here next icon. So we have to tap on it. We cannot find your address. So please make sure to enter correct postcode. Now you need to select your address from here. They will ask you to confirm your address. So read your address carefully and after that we have to click on yes, this is correct. What's your phone number? Enter the mobile number you would like to use on your account. So in the bottom we can see here next icon, so we have to click on it. You will receive a verification code on your mobile number, so you need to enter your verification code here. If you did not receive your verification code, then you can click on resend code. After entering your code, we have to click on the next icon. A polite request, please hit the like button. We want to let you know about new features, offers and rewards that we think you will like. If you want the offers notification, then you can click on yes please. If you don't want any notification about your offers, then you can click on no thanks. But I'm going to click on yes please. Do you want instant payment notification? If not, then click on not right now. But I will recommend you to click on allow notification. Allow Monzo to send you notifications, so we have to click on the allow. Each section should take only couple of minutes to complete it. About your citizenship and employment status. This will not affect your credit score, don't worry about it. So we have to click on the get started. What's your primary citizenship? So we have to search for our country from here. Now we have to select it. Now in the bottom you will see the next icon, so we have to click on it. What's your employment status? Full-time, part-time, self-employed, unemployed, retired and student and many more option is available here. So I have selected full time. If you are a student, then you can select part time. After selecting your employment status, we have to click on next icon. Which industry do you work in? You have to search from here. Popular industries are available at here: agriculture, arts, charity, constructions, education, finance and insurance and many more available at here. So I am going to click on the search icon, search for your industry and you need to select it. After that we have to click on the next icon. What's your job? You need to select your job profile from here. If you cannot find, then you can search it. Now we have to select it. In the bottom you will find finish section option, so we have to click on it. This is the second section, your finance. This is not going to affect your credit score, so we have to click on the next icon. What's your annual income before tax? You have to include your salary, bonus, benefits and all the things. If you don't know the exact amount, you can enter your estimates. After that, we need to click on the next icon. If you want to know that why they are asking this all questions, then you can click on why we ask. But right now, I want to complete my all steps. What's your housing status? Renting, living with family, homeowner with mortgage or homeowner without mortgage. So I have selected my housing status. Now we have to click on the next icon. How many people rely on you financially? For example, a partner, children or relatives. You have to select it as per your condition. Now I am going to click on finish section. So this is the third section. We have to click on the next icon. What will you use Monzo for? Day-to-day spending, paying bills, receiving salary, cryptocurrency. Many options are available. You can read all the options. So I selected day-to-day spending. Now we have to click on the next icon. Where will the first payment into your account come from? My other accounts, my salary, family or friends, other people, cash deposit and check deposit. So I have selected my other accounts. You can also deposit cash or check, and also you can get help of your family and friends. You have to tell them roughly how much amount you will deposit. So I have selected this, and now we have to click on the next icon. Now they are asking roughly how much money will come into your account each month. So after selecting your amount, we have to click on finish section. So friends, this is the last section. We have to complete it. Now we need to verify our identity. So I am going to click on the next icon. You need to make sure your ID has not expired. It's entirely in the frame. All your details can be seen easily. It's clear and easy to read. They will encrypt your information, so you don't have to worry about privacy. And now we have to click on I am ready. Which kind of ID would you like to use? Passport, driving license, national ID card and UK biometric residence permit. You need to select it as per your condition. Right now I am going to click on driving license. Select your ID country and you can also search for it. Now select your country. Allow Monzo to take pictures and record video. So I will recommend you to click on while using the app. So you need to take pictures front of your ID card, and if you want to retake your photo, then you can click on retake. I am satisfied with my this image, so I am going to click on use this photo ID. Turn your ID over. Now you will need to take a photo of your back of your ID card, so click on the continue. So I am satisfied this image, so I am going to click on use this photo. Now you need to record a video of yourself saying few words. They will use this information to make sure nobody is pretending be like you. Before you start, you need to make sure, don't worry how you look. You need to find somewhere quiet. Make sure your whole face is visible. Now we have to click on I am ready. Allow Monzo to record audio. So I am recommending you to click on while using the app. So after recording your video, you can preview it. If you are not satisfied, then you can retake this video. I am quite satisfied with it, so I am going to click on submit video. Do you have a US citizenship or tax residency outside the UK? If yes, then you have to click on yes, I do. But right now I don't have any, so I am going to click on no, just the UK. Now they will ask you to read tax declaration carefully. So you need to read it carefully and scroll down, and after that we have to click on confirm declaration. Now read term and conditions carefully and scroll down your screen. Scroll down until you find the last option. After reading term and condition, we need to click on I agree. So this is the term and condition about your overdraft. So you need to scroll down your screen. You can also download this PDF. Right now I am going to click on agree button. So this is the fee information. You need to read this completely. After that you need to scroll down your screen and you can also download this as a PDF. Right now I am going to click on agree icon. Your money is is safe. Your eligible deposits in Monzo are protected by FSCS up to £85,000 per person. If you want to read this more, then you have to click on Read FSCS Info Set. Now I'm going to click on the next icon. While verifying your ID card, you need to make sure you are following photo guidelines. This is common mistake. You need to avoid this. Scroll down your screen and we have to click on Got It. So now we have successfully completed all the sections and now we have to click on the next icon. Now we have to set up our Monzo account, so we have to click on the next icon. Say hello to Monzo Plus. If you want to upgrade your Monzo account to Monzo Plus, then you need to pay £5 per month. I will suggest you to click on Keep My Account Free. Let's get your card stored. Click on the continue, full legal name on your card. You can read this information and now we have to click on the confirm. Now they will ask you to create a 4-digit security PIN for your Monzo card. After creating your PIN, your card is on the way. Now click on the continue icon. If you want to link your Monzo card to your Apple Pay wallet, then you can do it, but right now I'm going to click on skip for now. We need your address history. I want to skip this step right now. So now this is the last question. What's the main reason you are signing for Monzo? Use abroad, improve my credit score, manage day-to-day finance, borrow money and many more. You need to select it as per your preference. And now I'm going to click on the continue. Congratulations, you have got a week of Monzo Plus. This is the free subscription they are giving me for a week. There is no automatic payment at the end. We will only take payment from you if you choose to subscribe. Now click on the continue. You can read all the offers and the features and now we have to click on the continue. Building Monzo Plus for you. Now your Monzo Plus account has been created successfully.